Hello everyone. Today I would like to unbox a new gadget, like the new smart remote from Sevenhugs. So I am kind of like in the in that early backer program, which is I don't remember the price, but I've been waiting for this like 2 years, I believe, 1.5 years, about that time frame. So finally it is released. Actually, I received it like 3 weeks ago, but I didn't got the time to unbox it. And then here is the box I got, and then a letter from the team, and the welcome to the future of a smart home. And then here are all the team members of the Sevenhugs. So they're a pretty small team. Yeah, very startup. And then here is the box, and then it's a pure black. There's nothing on the box, so just the serial number and stuff. And yeah, let's just open it up. Here we go. This is a pure black box. Let's just open it. Here we go. Wow. Very simple. And then here is the remote. Okay, so what is it? Open this. Oh, here, this way. And there we go. Sevenhugs. So nothing on the front, just a screen. And then this is the, I think this is the IR part. And what is that for? Looks, so this is a USB-C connector, and then I'm not sure what it is. And that's pretty much. And then where's the power button? I didn't see it. There's a little hole here, and I don't know what is that either. And if you put it up close, there's a little dent in the back cave here. Well, yeah, so it's very sleek design, but it's not quite intuitive as it is. So at least at this moment, I don't know how to turn it on. And there's no obvious way that I can turn it on. Probably have to plug it in to the computer first. Let's see what else in the box. Oh, here is the dock. Yeah, apparently this is a USB-C connector, and then the remote goes on the dock. This dock is pretty solid, very heavy, and okay. And here is the power, and yeah, that's the only thing. So yeah, so this is a very, very sleek design. There's no other things going on the remote or on the dock at all. And then let's see what else. And here are some literatures. And here the smart remote installation guide number 1. And here's a da-da-da. 1, 2, 3, 4. And number 2. Add magical control experiences to a smart remote. Room sensors. Okay, so yeah, oh, you can add sensors into your rooms. And here are some like introductions to that. Ready, go, set. So this is this remote is not only target for a smart remote, but also for a smart home. Important information. And what else? That's it. And then here are the 3 room sensors, which is you can tape it to anywhere in your room. And I believe this is the battery. And okay, that's 3 of these. And then what else? Oh, here are the charger. And then why it gives me a European charger. Oh, this have all 3 versions. Okay, the US, UK, and then European. So, alright, so this is kind of like a universal charger. And then you can adjust the connector by yourself. Open, close. Yeah, there we go. And then press here. And then you can swap that into European one or UK one. Okay, yeah. So a universal charger. So they really just made one version of the remote, and that's it. That's everything in the box. All right, so okay, so that's all for my unboxing. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.